This quick video I'm going to show you how to test for priming of the carburetor. So the idea is, just like in a lawnmower, after it's been shut off for a long time, some of the gasoline in the carburetor evaporates, and so you actually push a prime button, and that basically squirts a little bit of gas into the engine, so that it can start. Now eventually, if that's bad, you keep cranking it and cranking it until gasoline finally reaches the carburetor, right? And then and then the engine will start. Now I was having that problem. The engine would crank for a long time, and I'd have to press on the accelerator pedal many times before it would actually start. Now it's a really simple test. There's the accelerator. You move it, you operate it, and see if anything is squirted. And the squirt hole in this carburetor, this is Autolite 1100, is right there. I'll have to probably flip it over so you can see it. Right there. As you can see, or not see, I guess, nothing is being squirted. So you should have gasoline falling off all over the place here. And there is fuel in the carburetor. So if I actually flip it over, a bunch of fuel will spill out. It's quite a bit of fuel there. So there was fuel. So that right away tells me that accelerator pump is not working. Hope this helps. So if your car has trouble starting, with the classic car, it's just like a lawnmower. Like I said, you have to press the accelerator a few times if it's been stopped overnight to prime the engine, and the engine should start right away. On the car, use your foot. On a lawnmower, use your finger. It's usually a button. If the car has been running recently, then you don't have to do that because there's still plenty of fuel and vapors. But if it's been sitting a while, you need the squirt. Now, if it doesn't squirt, the car will still eventually start, but it just takes a long time. So, hope this helps.